Hello, I'm Patrick Hannon, student ID 3946576. It's my student ID to verify that. And let's move on to question 2 of assignment 3. First, let's verify that Csaair A3 is updated and functional. So we can see we're running at version 7.0.1, the most recent version. And we can check our JQ is running and functional at version 1.7. So this is what we'll be using to conduct our analysis of the packet capture file. Okay, so we need to generate an eve.json file on the packet capture analysis file, and we can do so by running sudo suricata-r on question2.packet capture, our packet capture analysis file, and we can see that's already successfully done. And then we want to look at the alerts that have been generated, and we can see that 70 alerts have been generated to a possible Quackbot malware, and this is what we're going to want to investigate. So we're going to want to look at the source and destination IPs in relation to the alerts. And we can see that the alerts are triggered from the source IP 10.1.29.101 to the destination IP 68.1.115.106 with 70 alerts triggered regarding Quackbot malware. To look at a timeline of the attack, we can run this command here, and we can see that over the 3-hour span, the 70 alerts are triggered from the source to the destination IP. Alright, so now that we've identified the IPs related to the attack, we want to look for further indicators of compromise. And we can run the following command to check suricata alerts related to executable file downloads or base64 encoded content. So we're looking for what's caused the Quackbot malware to be installed. And we can see that when running that command, it's tied to this file here, 444.444.png. And we want to see where this has come from. So we can run the following command to look at the HTTP request in relation to the alerts. And we can see that it's been downloaded from alphaenergy.eng.com. So this is where the files come from, which we can reasonably conclude to be what has installed the malware, as it's been previously triggered in this alert and confirmed to be downloaded from that website. Alright, so as we have confirmed that there is a malicious file which has triggered an alert, and we've confirmed where it's been downloaded from, and we have the IPs related to the attack, we can come to the conclusion that the Quackbot malware has been installed using this file 444.444.png from alphaenergy.eng.com. And to mitigate the Quackbot threat, immediate containment and remediation actions must be taken, and the internal host has been observed downloading and accessing this malicious PNG file as it has triggered a suricata alert for possible PE executable content. So as a result, the infected host should immediately be isolated from the network to prevent further communication with external malicious infrastructure, and all traffic to and from the website the file was downloaded from should be blocked at the firewall and proxy level. A full forensic analysis of the official endpoint should be conducted to determine persistence mechanisms and credential theft, and credentials should be checked for compromise, of course. Any compromised credentials should be reset, and detection signatures across the environment should be updated, and user awareness training within the company should be conducted to reduce the risk for infections in the future. All right, thank you for listening to my question 2 analysis.